Hello, this is Paul Matthews. I am the CEO of Nethram LLC. We are a gold partner of Twilio. I'm very excited to present this video to you. In this video, we will cover the Twilio Flex reference design. We have created a reference design in Twilio Flex to inspire you. The purpose of this video is to inspire you with advanced Twilio Flex features so that you can explore the full potential of Twilio Flex. We will demonstrate each of these functionalities in a real live system. Keep in mind that this reference design is just a reference and the workflow should be adjusted to meet your precise business needs. It's expected that you're familiar with Twilio Flex and that you have a basic understanding, because we will build a lot upon what you already know in Twilio Flex. We will cover call features. Specifically, we will talk about how a call can be handled by an IVR within Studio and then forward the call to Flex. We'll talk about multi-skilled agents, and each agents correspond to each IVR option. We will demonstrate CRM screen pop with HubSpot CRM. We will demonstrate how to make an outbound phone call. We will demonstrate how to make outbound calls for leads from a CRM that has no click-to-call capability. And then we'll also demonstrate how to make an outbound call from a custom CRM. In terms of call forwarding features, we'll demonstrate call forward to voicemail, call forward to an announcement, and call forward to a phone number. We will also demonstrate conditional call forwarding, where all agents are offline when there is an answer timeout and no agents have answered within a specific time, and also call forwarding when it is after office hours. This covers 3 times 3, that is 9 use cases that relates to call forwarding. We will also talk about Facebook, SMS, and web chat integration. We will show how to do CRM screen pop on an incoming SMS. We will show how to do an SMS alert on an incoming message. We will show how to find a contact via a simple Facebook bot. We will show how to do a CRM screen pop on a Facebook Messenger message coming in. We'll demonstrate how to do a CRM screen pop on a web chat. And then we will also talk about how to do autopilot agent offload. We will go into a bit of advanced topic where we'll cover a custom plugin. In this case, we are demonstrating the autocomplete plugin that we have developed. Autocomplete is a great plugin that will boost the productivity by suggesting chat response if you are on any type of chat. Let's get started. Let's go into the call features first, and then now let's make an outbound call towards Flex. We're going to be using the very popular Twilio Auto Dialer plugin to make a call towards Flex. The Twilio Auto Dialer is just used so that you can see the dialer in the screen as well. Instead of this, you could use your regular cell phone or your landline to make a call. Let's make a call towards Flex. You will hear the IVR shortly.
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us. Press 1 to contact our agent.
And we're going to press 1 to connect to an agent.
Thank you.
As you can see, the call has come and then we're going to accept that call. We have accepted the call, and now both the agent and the caller is connected. Let's hang up this call and then let's use the other IVR option, which should connect to the second agent based on the skill. we have to press complete to tell Twilio Flex that the task is complete and we have completed taking the notes. So let's call back at the second number. We're calling the same number again, and then we are going to be using the second IVR option.
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us. Press 1 to contact our agents. Press 9 to contact our leads.
And we're going to press 9 now.
Thank you.
So here we can see that it's the second agent that received the call because the second IVR option corresponded to a different skill. Let's accept this call. So the second agent has accepted the call. Let's hang up this call. And let's mark the second agent as unavailable. So the second agent is now offline, and let's use the second option. This should now call the first agent.
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us. Press 1 to contact our agents.
So we use the second IVR option, and as you can see, the call came to the first agent. Let's accept the call. So what happened here is that the second agent was unavailable and the first agent was configured for rolling on, and hence the call went to the first agent. If the second agent was available, the call would have gone to the second agent itself. One more thing that we can see here is the integration with the HubSpot CRM. When the call came in now and all previous calls, the lead was opened within HubSpot and the agent could see who the caller was and could take notes on the HubSpot CRM. And let's hang up this call now and let's now attempt outbound calls. So there are two ways to handle outbound calls. One way is to dial an outgoing phone number. So let's dial an outbound phone number from within Flex. To dial an outbound number, we went to the new tab that was custom designed and programmed, and we will enter the phone number and use the call button to make a call. We're calling the number, and that should now ring the auto dialer extension. As you can see, it created a task, and without the agent doing anything, the outbound call was made. That is because the task was auto accepted, and here we can see the call coming into auto dialer. Let's answer the call. Okay, so we have now answered the call, and that was an outbound call. Let's hang up this call, and let's now address the second use case, which is to search for a contact within a CRM. And then click on the phone number next to the search listing, and that will trigger an outbound call. This feature can be used for CRMs that does not have click to call capability. Let's make the outbound call from Flex. So as you can see here, the outbound call was made and the call came to the Twilio auto dialer. We're going to answer the call. And now we can see that both the agent and the person that the agent was trying to reach is connected. We can also see the lead pop for the outbound call on the agent screen. Let's hang up the call. Now we will try yet another outbound calling, and that call will be made directly via click to call from a custom CRM. Here is a custom CRM which has got a few leads, and now we can click on the phone icon, and that results in a click to call. Let's make the call. So we can see that the call is made and the agent once again sees the CRM screen pop for the outbound call. Let's hang up the call. That completes the normal call features. And now let's look into the call forwarding related features. So here we are going to cover call forward to voicemail, announcement, and phone number based on 3 different scenarios. First, let's test out the call forwarding to voicemail when all the agents are offline. So we are going to make all the agents offline. Here is the first agent. We're going to make that agent offline. And the second agent is already offline. Let's now once again make a call from the auto dialer. And now it doesn't really matter. We could really use option 1 or option 9.
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us. Press 1 to
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us. Please leave a voicemail.
So we can see that the voicemail prompt has come because none of the agents were available. We're going to hang this call up now. And now we are going to change from the voicemail to an announcement when no agents are there. We do that by changing the parameter of a Twilio function. So we'll change the parameter of the Twilio function, and now let's make a call towards Flex. Once again, both the agents are offline. So instead of hearing the voicemail, we should now just hear an announcement and the call should hang up.
Thank you for contacting us. Press 1 to contact our agents.
Thanks for calling Nethram. Currently, none of our agents are available to take your call. Please try again at a later time. Thank you.
That was the announcement. Once the announcement got over, the call got automatically disconnected because it was not a voicemail. Let's try the third scenario, which is forwarding the call to a real phone number when none of the agents are available. Again, we change the Twilio function. We're going to make a call.
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us. Press 1 to contact our agents.
So we tried to reach the agents. The agents are not available, and as we can hear, it's now ringing an external number. So let's hang this call up, and this can be a very useful feature if you have only a few agents in your contact center and you need to forward that call to an answering machine service when no agent is available. Let's now consider the use case of after office hours. To simulate that use case, we are going to be changing the office hours, and even though all the agents are available, we consider this to be after office hours and the call should be forwarded. We have saved the settings in task router so that the call doesn't go to the agent even though the call agents are available. And now we're going to make a call.
Hi, this is Nethram. Thank you for contacting us.
So as you can see here, the call is ringing the forwarding number, even though the agents are available, because the call is considered to be made after office hours. Let's hang this call up. In this demo, we are not going to cover the agent answer timeout because that's going to simply take too long and they don't want you to be waiting while we try that. But that is possible as well, and that's part of our reference design. Now let's move right ahead and then consider the use cases of Facebook, SMS, and web chat. The first use case is the CRM screen pop on an SMS. So we're going to send an SMS towards Flex, and that should result in a CRM screen pop, just like what we saw for voice calls. So we just sent out an SMS from the auto dialer. It doesn't have to be sent from the auto dialer. It could be sent from any other phone. The SMS came to an agent. The agent accepted the task, and here we can see the screen pop corresponding to that phone number within HubSpot. We can also see the functionality of autocomplete. Here, this is a plugin that we have developed, which will significantly speed up your contact center, your omni-channel contact center. In this case, the request hello was received, and based on machine learning and previous interactions, the autocomplete is giving a suggestion, and the suggestion can be accepted by hitting the tab and then pressing enter. Yeah, so that is the autocomplete feature, which is also part of our reference design. Let's end this conversation, and then let's move ahead with web chat functionality. Now we are going to be making a web chat. So now this web chat is custom made, and as you can see from the web chat, it asks for a name and also a phone number. The phone number is used to correlate the person that's initiated the chat with the corresponding lead in CRM. So the web chat has started, and the chat session should now come to Flex. We can see the chat request within Flex. We're going to accept this request, and once again we see a CRM screen pop, and this matching of the customer within the CRM happened by the phone number that the user had entered within the chat. Let's end this conversation, and now let's try Facebook Messenger. So now we go to Facebook Messenger, and we're going to initiate a conversation. In this case, we have used a Facebook bot. That bot responds back with the phone number, with the request for phone number. We enter the phone number, and that phone number is again used to do a CRM screen pop. In our case, this was part of the previous conversation. However, the mapping between the Facebook ID and the phone number is maintained using Twilio Sync, and that will be used to do a CRM screen pop. Let's type a message. The conversation is going to come into Twilio Flex right here. And once again, we're going to see a CRM screen pop. Once again, we see the autocomplete feature that we have developed and part of the reference design. Here is the autocomplete feature. You don't have to use the autocomplete feature. You could type up your request, and then that request will be added to the training set, helping other agents. Let's end this conversation as well. The other component that is part of our training set is as part of our reference design is the autopilot agent offload. So we have used an autopilot bot that would answer common questions, and then if the autopilot cannot answer a question, then that gets forwarded to the Flex, where an agent can answer that and see previous interactions as well. That completes the demo of Nethram's Twilio Flex reference design. I hope you like it, and I hope that you are inspired by this, and you will develop similar features and probably also more advanced features. I wish you the very best in your Flex journey. Thank you very much.